Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Nick and today I'm going to show you a specific topic because today is the 8th of March. So since I'm doing online marketing, I thought it would be interesting for my audience to see like how if you have an e-commerce brand or if you have a product, whether it's physical or digital, you can use holidays just like this one to promote your products. So as you can see, the title for today is how to make holiday promotions. So we're how to make the most out of your holiday promotions for your brand. So we're gonna start with why should you do it, because for everything there should be a reason, and since holidays are a special day, you should have your promotions. You should also make a list of holidays. So we're gonna just begin with the fact that in quarter 4 is the most profitable season because there are a bunch of holidays, like one after one, like Christmas, then Halloween, which is not really a holiday, and then New Year's Eve, and then Thanksgiving, like all of these holidays, and they put people in buying mood. So you have a reason. You don't want your promotions on your brand to be like, hey, today just 20% off because what? And then your potential clients, as I mentioned, they are feeling special. It's a holiday and everybody feels special, especially if it's a holiday that somewhat those people can relate to it. Like women can relate to today's holiday, and it's time limited. You want your promotions to not be like every year 365 days every year. No, they should be time limited so that people know it's a real promotion and it's gonna end, so they should take action today and they should take action now. So, and you don't want to miss out on sales and new customers, because since people are in the buying mood, you're gonna just show them your specific offer. You should make it so good that people can't say no, and you're gonna get more sales and more new customers because it's a holiday. So next thing we're gonna look at is what is not recommended. So that's what beginners do, and that's what those who are not getting results do. They use fake scarcity. So they say we only have like 4 pieces or 12 products, but they actually have a lot, and people can tell if you are using fake scarcity. You don't want to do this. You want to make sure that if you say you have only 12, then they're gonna sell out and you will not have them anymore. So that's how we build trust. Imagine if somebody like Amazon or somebody like Apple or a big brand does this and they use fake scarcity. They're gonna lose their credibility and their next promotion will fail. And also you don't want to use fake urgency. So if you say that today only March 8th you will have this promotion, then it should be only today. Or if it's for 2-3 days, like one day before and one day after, then it should start and end on those specific dates. And don't use fake urgency like you're on this page only 30 minutes and then the price will go up or something like this. No. And you want to avoid having unlimited promotions. So as I mentioned with the Apple example, and with the 365 days promotions, it's not gonna work because people are gonna get sick of your promotion and it's not gonna look so special anymore. And then all price on sale, so that's up to you. For example, something like Thanksgiving, you can do like site-wide sale because the most brands are doing this, so you can do that. But in general, you should not have all price on sale. Then what is recommended? So I recommend to make a list of holidays for your brand. So if your brand is targeting women, then make a list of holidays that women usually celebrate or that are specific for women. And then if it's for men, if it's for kids, then you can make your specific list. Then build an email list, build subscribers, build followers. If you watch my video about the traffic that you own, so there's traffic that you control, you don't control, and that traffic that you own. So the one that you own is that one where you don't have additional marketing costs for reaching those people. So you have people on your email list. You send them an email, you don't have marketing costs. They saw your promotion, so that's how you use the traffic that you own to get it to your website. And then you have subscribers on YouTube maybe, or followers on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and you can reach them easily by using those platforms. And then you want to have a banner on top of your website, which is going to be installed before that promotion actually starts. And the banner should say exactly what your promotion is about, and how much time is it, and who is it for, and how they should get it, like how they should get your offer. And then you can have an announcement bar, like at the top. Usually websites have, so Thanksgiving sales or 8th of March sale, get the deals here. So they have a call to action on that announcement bar. And then you want to have a countdown timer that ends and the offer expires. So that's real urgency. So when it has proven by marketers and by all these brands that if you use a countdown timer, it's gonna increase your conversions, because people are gonna take action. They're gonna be feeling somewhat compelled to take action because it's a really good offer and they should take advantage of it now. And then make sure your website funnel is optimized for conversions and you have all these elements. I'll probably make a video in the next days about how to increase Shopify conversion or Clickfunnels conversion or whatever platforms you're using. So you need to have testimonials, social proof, FAQs. You want to overcome objections. You want to make sure that you answer all the questions that people have when they land on your page, whether it's a landing page or an e-commerce store, a storefront, a product page. You want to make sure that people get their answers there, because you want to convince them to buy from you, to buy now and buy like today. And then the next thing we're gonna look at is examples of promotions. So this is gonna be quick. You can have percentage discount for the cart. So for example, 20% off entire order or 25%. It has been proven that 15% works best to keep your margins high and then to make people take action. And then buy one get one free. So BOGO, that's how it's known in the online marketing world. So it works well as well. Then buy two get discounts. So buy in bulk 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can make specific discounts for these amounts on those days. And then dollar coupons. So take this $5 coupon and you're gonna be able to use it today. Again, it should be time limited. And then how you should promote it, you should have an email list. The email list is your asset and you should use it for your promotions and not use it every day. Sometimes you send just value. For example, if you're doing something for women, just send them some beauty tips or something like this. But when it comes for a promotion, because they receive value from you in the past, they're gonna open that email and they're gonna have a relationship, an established relationship with you. So you want to do these promotions like not regularly, but just they should be limited and they should be really valuable and you should have a good offer. And then you should make a sequence of emails, like not just one email, because open rates are not so high. So you want to make sure that a bigger part of your list sees that email and knows about the promotion. So you make a sequence of emails. And I'm just gonna give you an example of how I see it. So you want to send it a couple of days before the holiday. So just you tell them about it. So you get them to know your promotion. And then right before it starts, you send them an email. So they're just ready with their credit card in hands to buy from you if they really like your product. And then when it started, again, send an email. That's where the cart is open. So it applies for launches. So if you're launching a product, it's also really good to send an email when the launch starts. And then when there are specific amount of hours left, so for example 6 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, however you want to structure it. So you put that email for 12 hours. So it's going to be automated. I'm going to give you an app that I use for this. And then when it's about to end, so 3 hours, 1 hour, if you've seen all the big brands are doing this, so if they're doing this, it works. So you should implement it for your business as well. And then what I use for time limited unique coupons and unique discounts. They're automatically generated. It's an app called Omnisend. There should be a link down below. You can get a 14-day trial using that link. And then a couple of tips for doing these promotions, these holiday promotions. So create a custom content. Custom content is king. You don't want to just copy images from somebody and just put them on your website or put them on your Instagram. You want to create your own content, with your own color, with your own influencers. And when you're creating those, you're branding your self-worth or branding your product better. And a branded product, it has been proven for the last 100 years that it will sell better and you'll have a better community around your brand. And then use your brand's social media to promote it. As I mentioned, you have these platforms and don't forget about them. Besides your email list, you have social medias as well, where you can notify people about your promotion, and then you can have countdown posts. So for example, taking the example of 8th of March, on March 5th, somebody posts a picture on their Instagram. So 4 days or 3 days left until the promotion, and it's gonna be 1 day promotion, 24-hour promotion. Then 2 days left, then 1 day left, and people are excited, and then promotion starts, and you're gonna get like a couple hundred of sales, let's say. And then use influencer posts. So use influencers that have like a personal brand or are theme pages for women, for example, if we're taking 8th of March, and you're gonna use those and you're gonna reach bigger audiences. And because you already created this content, you created these emails, it makes sense that you get more traffic to see your offers. And then retarget visitors. This is really important. This is the back end of your brand. It doesn't matter if it's a physical or digital product. You want to have retargeting on Facebook and Google. Retargeting is when somebody comes to your website and sees that product and they don't buy at that moment, but you then show ads in Facebook. After they left your site, you're gonna show them ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on Messenger, on Google, and they're gonna come back to your site. And the reason being for this is that on average it takes about 7 interactions with your product, with your brand, for somebody to take the buying decision. And then that's it for today. So I hope you have a better overview, a better picture, a clearer picture in your mind about how you should do holiday promotions. And since it's a special day, I'll congratulate all women and all mothers with this holiday. And make sure to call your mom, make sure to call your sister, call your grandma, call your wife. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this content. Let me know down below. If you have any questions about your holiday promotion, you can let me know down below. And then subscribe to my channel as I post valuable content just like this one, just like this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.